Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today let's see how you can automatically send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets in bulk. Let's say you work in a school management and you want to update the parents of your students regarding parent-teacher meeting. There are two ways of doing it. First, go to Google Sheets, copy all the details of the students like their parents' name, their WhatsApp number and more. Come back, compose a message and send it via WhatsApp to every single parent. However, this can be tedious and time consuming. Second is the Pabbly Smart way. Here we will integrate Google Sheets with WhatsApp all using Pabbly Connect. So in just a few clicks, you will be able to send bulk WhatsApp messages. Let me take you through a step-by-step guide. To send bulk WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets using AISensy, let's first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. I will just write Google Sheets to WhatsApp. By AISensy. Create. It will show you two windows, trigger and action. So trigger is when this happens, action is do this. In the trigger, first let us write schedule, select this app. And now it will ask you how often do you want to run your workflow. So we will select just once because we have to send the parent-teacher meetings alert to the parents just once. You can select the date and the time of the message, on which date like you have to send the message or at what time. I will select today's date, save it, successful. Now let us go to Google Sheets. It will ask you for an action event. Since we need data, okay, first let me take you to my Google Sheet. Here it is, St. Xavier School 1. I have student's name, their father's name and the father's WhatsApp number, like you can see here. So now we want all this data, this Google Sheet data on Pabbly. So we will just select Get Rows, Connect. Add new connection, connect with Google Sheets. I will select my account, give permission. And here it is, authorization successful. Now it will ask you to select spreadsheet. We will select St. Xavier School 1. Why? Because that is the you can see St. Xavier School 1. This is the spreadsheet where we have all the details of our students. Now it will ask you to select range. Here it says enter range of the sheet, example A2 is to D2. Okay, so we will select A2 to C5. Why? Because we want our data right from here, right from Raj Shah till Kavita Verma's phone details. So we will write A2 is to C5. We will need advanced response instead of simple response. Why? Because this will get you the data in array format. That is, it will fetch you all the details of the Google Sheet. Let us see how it is. Click Save and Send Test Request. Okay, so now in the response result, you can see it has brought all the data of the Google Sheet, name, father's name, student, father's mobile number, and so on. Now, to make it look little easy, we will go to iterator. Now, this will arrange the data in more organized format. This will get you the data row-wise. Let's see how it brings. Yes, now you can see the data here is in a row format. Raj Shah, student's name, the father's name, contact number, and so on. So now the time for final step, which is WhatsApp by AISensy. Click here, search your action event, send template message, connect the two, add new connection. All right, it is asking you for the API key. Go to AISensy's website, your account, click on manage, then API key. Okay, here you can see this is your API key. Just click to copy, come back to Pabbly's page, paste the key, save. So it will ask you the campaign's name here. Go to AISensy. On the left hand side you will see campaign. Click there. Come to the top right. Click on the launch button. Select API. Now it will ask you the campaign name. Just write PTM notification. Okay, it says exists. Let us change to PTM alert. Select template. You can select. We will select offline PTM. This was the template that I have created. The message template that I have to send to the parents of the students. I'll select this. Okay, so here it is coming. Hello. You can fill in these details, these brackets. St. Xavier Schools invites you to its next quarterly PTM on. That means the date will come here. At the time will come here. Please be on your time. Please be on time and bring your child. The name of the child will come here. So before we fill in these details, let us set it live. Okay, go to campaign. Here is the template message. Now let us fill in these details. To Pabbly Connect's page. Here we will give the campaign name that we had given, PTM alert. Now it will ask you for the mobile number. We will map it from iterator. Here it is. Now the username. Let's go to iterator and let us select father's name. Okay, let's leave source and tags and come down to template parameter. Okay, before this, first let's take a look at template. So it says hello. The first field you will have to fill the person who you are sending this message to. That would be child's father. Go to iterator and select the father's name. Come here, put a comma. Then again, go back. See, the second line says St. Xavier School invites you to its next quarterly PTM on and at. So on would be the day and at would be the time. So just write day and time of the parent-teacher meeting. I will write today's date. You can fill whatever you like. Then we will write time. Time would be 10:30 a.m. Put a comma again. Go back, see if there's anything left. Yes, please be on time and bring your child with you. So here we will map child's name. Again, go to iterator by Pabbly and select student name. Okay. So all these details we have mapped. Now come down. Let us just save and send test request to see if it is working. Okay, so it says response is successful. Let us go to the WhatsApp and see if the parent has received the message. Here it is. You can see, hello Ramesh Shah, St. Xavier School invites you to its next quarterly PTM meeting on 5th July at 10:30 a.m. Please be on time and bring your child Raj Shah with you. Regards, yes. I hope this was useful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel on YouTube.